For small construction projects, large excavators consume a lot of fuel and are difficult to move. The Mingbo Micro and Small Excavator from T is equipped with a hydraulic pilot operation. The large and small arms are strong and powerful, with a digging depth of up to 2.05 meters. It operates stably and efficiently, with precise and sensitive control, and reliable and excellent quality. Outdoor construction site orchards, it can handle them all with ease, helping you take on more business and increase your income level. Contact us for consultation now.